Time for our monkey bath. Time for our monkey bath. You gotta clean the dirty butt. You gotta clean the dirty butt. Gotta clean everything today.
No wriggle. Hey, Mom.
Hey, my diapers didn't come
Mom.
in. I smell like pee.
Mom.
What, baby?
My boyfriend got me. He's not supposed to because I want these Lego toys.
You do?
Yeah, I like them.
Good, I'm
I
glad.
have one before.
She's like, I don't like it.
I don't like it. Take it away.
We don't spank our monkey. So many people say that. Oh my God. Like, okay. It's like you got something original. Like, I don't like my bath. I don't like it. I gotta get the butt clean. I gotta get the belly clean. Be careful.
Yes. Where did I bring the crayons?
Almost done. Almost done. Oh, get you clean. We won't get her head wet like that. We'll just wipe her off. Oh, not in the nose. Not in the nose. Almost done. All done. I'm all clean. I love it when she sticks her tongue out. Come on, get on a dry one. You want to stay on a Bobo? Bobo's all wet. All done. Yeah, I'm all clean. I'm all clean. I'm gonna go get dry now.